How to fix the slow mobile data issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down to open quick settings panel, and then from here turn on and off flight mode 2 to 3 times. And after doing this, the slow mobile data issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue of slow mobile data, then swipe down to open quick settings panel, and from here check your signals. So if you are getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, it means your signal are poor. So move to area where you can get good signals, and after getting good signals, the mobile data will start working properly. But if you are still facing the slow mobile data issue after getting good signals, then try reinserting your SIM card. So take out the SIM card from your phone, clean it with a clean cloth and put it back in your phone, and after that it will fix the slow mobile data issue. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button, and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, it will fix the slow mobile data issue. So that's how you can fix the slow mobile data issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.